Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to Google Drive and you will click here in this page. You will enter. Then this list of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause your errors on your app or on your phone. And then after all these steps you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.